Hey guys, what's up? Well, have you got bored with those old wallpapers and want to know how you can apply some very cool wallpapers on your device? Well, this video is all about it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Well, first open Play Store. Download this app from the link provided in the description below. This app has a very good rating and more than 10 million downloads. Now let's open this app. This app contains lots of awesome wallpapers. I have used this app for more than 6 months, and it has always been giving me new and cool wallpapers. This app contains 3 sections of wallpapers like New, Popular, and Rating. Well, if you press on this button, then there are lots of categories of wallpapers. Like, let's open the high-tech section. This one looks really very cool. Now hit the set button. Tap on Portrait Adapted. Look, the wallpaper is set on your device. It looks really very awesome and it's completely free. Well, you can explore further and choose other cool wallpapers. Now just set some cool wallpapers on your device, and then you can show off in front of your friends. Well, just don't be selfish, and remember to share it with your friends, because I'm sure your friends would even like these wallpapers in my video. Thanks for watching, enjoy the wallpapers, and give a like to this video. Bye bye, take care.
I have you now.